bloggers, content creators, and all these comedians online, and on the online CID Mugu and online CID Iberibe. If you know that you have dragged Prophet Ebukobi of Zion Ministry, you have dragged him when they say that one lady give testimony, that the testimony is not correct. You know you have dragged Evangelis Ebukobi for this and that. Anywhere you have dragged him, knowing fully well that he's doing the genuine work of God, and you have dragged him. And this hospital for correction center, rehabilitation center, they open in Aguleri. Very massive that some of you put together, donate money, community money, cannot put that kind of thing. And you know you have not shared that good news. You have not talked about the good news. It shall never be well with you. If you know you have never said a good thing about that hospital that they opened, that psychiatric home they opened at Agule, you have not said any good thing about that. You have not congratulated the Zion Ministry, the Seraphic Foundation for what God is using them to do. It shall never be well with you. Everything you have dragged Evangelist Ebukobi in this world, and you see this greatest good news. And they have done it. God have used him to do it in Anambra. You don't want to talk about that. Your reasons are because Christian, you've gone to Christianity where you not go with your clean mind. In Aga Christian with dirty mind, you are worshiping God with evil mind. Now you believe that no power in Virgin Mary, no power in Jesus Christ, no power in chaplets, no power in Bible, no power in the blessed sacrament. It shall never be well with you. Anybody that have used the Zion Ministry name to talk rubbish, and you don't want to talk about this good news that God used Prophet Ebukobi to do in Aguleri. It shall never. In fact, this year you will end with this year, the month next year, if you don't do video to talk good about what God have used Evangelis Ebukobi to do in Aguleri, Anambra State. You are only there to talk rubbish about Evangelis Ebukobi do this. I bring one girl, they say, hey, one girl, they look, they love the girl. Hey, say Evangelis Ebukobi, fake testimony. Hey, Evangelis Ebukobi, this testimony no work. Hey, all this nonsense that you people are talking, and this good news you don't want to talk about it. It shall never be well with you. Better start talking it. My name is Royal Highness AGUGBAOLA. You must talk it. Anybody that does not say it, I have laid a curse, and it must surely come to happen. In fact, it must surely come to pass in Jesus' name. If you don't want to talk about it, if you don't want to talk it the same way you be using the evangelist name to talk rubbish, Ebuka did this, Ebuka that, Ebuka Ebu. If you don't talk it, when I use my brother, they talk rubbish every time. When I don't want to talk about the good thing that's happening, all the bloggers and the saga, spiritual God that you know, spiritual